Let's learn the first and most basic command rule for creating a Talon voice command. I'm going to program my computer so that when I say the words, my first command phrase, my computer writes the simplest type of Talon command phrase uses only words. I'm going to do that right now. Talon wake. Launch Notepad. Say my first command phrase over, empty dubstring, sentence the simplest commands are just words or phrases over, period, spacebar, go away right, enter. Talon sleep. The nice thing about Talon is that you can say a long combination of commands and it will understand what you mean, like I just did. However, it took me several months to get to the point where I can chain commands together like that. So I'm going to delete that and do the same thing with individual commands instead of combining them all into one long command chain. Talon wake. Go up. Clear line. Say my first command phrase. Empty dubstring. Sentence the simplest commands are just words or phrases over. Period. Spacebar. Go way right. Enter. Talon sleep. Now I have a command all written out. The next step is to save this command in the right place and with the right file name. The right place is the Talon user directory. This is where all of your command definitions go. If your command definitions are in the user directory, Talon can find them and make them work. The right file name is whatever file name you like, as long as you end the file in .talon. I'm going to name my file talon_rule_examples.talon. Talon wake. Shift Control Sun. Snake Talon rule examples over .talon. Go Talon user. Talon sleep. A good keyboard shortcut that I'm about to use is this. When a button has a letter underlined, you can press that button by pressing the Alt key and that letter simultaneously. I can do this with Talon. Talon wake. Alt sun. Talon sleep. I have now saved this file in the Talon user directory, and now I can test this command. Talon wake. My first command phrase. Talon sleep. It worked! Now, you don't want to leave random phrases in the middle of your command definitions, so now I'm going to delete what I just wrote. Talon wake. Clear line. Talon sleep. This is the most basic type of Talon command. Some magic words and some code to tell Talon what you want those magic words to do.